Hey everyone and welcome. So if you are looking for the best life insurance in Australia, then you are at the right place because TAL offers the best insurances and maximum cover is any financial justified amount is going to be covered in this. So I think this is a huge thing. If you have something valuable collected, then of course get it insured. And if you are in Australia, then opt for TEL. And here you can see we have some eligibility criteria. You should be permanent Australian residents and aged from 19 to 74 birthday. So yeah, this is gonna be the thing, and I hope this was helpful. If it was, you can consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more. So, see you in the next video.